This is a stepped impedance low pass filter being used in microwave microstrip circuit training lab. It is a 7-pole low pass filter which uses a alternate cascaded arrangement of low impedance and high impedance microstrip lines. As you can observe that the first is a low impedance microstrip line while the next thinner one is a high impedance microstrip line. So these act as semi-lumped elements and this filter behaves as a ladder LC type low pass filter. The length of these microstrip lines being used is deliberately kept significantly less than that of the guide wavelength so as to avoid any passband modes of higher order. Right now we are testing the passband loss of the system from 1 GHz to 2 GHz. As you can see, the reference level is -40 dBm. The insertion loss at 1 GHz is about 1 dB. We will move the receiver and transmitter in 100 MHz steps and observe the loss at different frequencies. Right now we are testing at 1100 MHz. Now at 1200 MHz still the loss is pretty low. 1300 MHz it's still significantly low. 1400 MHz. 1500 MHz the loss is still about 1.5 dB. We have designed this for a corner frequency of 1500 MHz, beyond which it starts giving significant loss. As you can see, at 1600 MHz the loss has increased to 6 dB. At 1700 MHz the loss is 14 dB. At 1800 MHz the loss is about 20 dB. At 1900 MHz the insertion loss is 26 dB. We can also find out the port VSWRs by using the coupler and find out the S11 or S22 at various passband and stopband frequencies. We will test out another variation of the same low pass filter, which is a open circuit open stub low pass filter. This is a 5-pole low pass filter. This has got better stop band characteristics as compared to the ladder stepped impedance low pass filter. We will again test out the insertion loss of the filter at various frequencies from 1 to 2 GHz. This has a pass band from DC to 1500 MHz, which is the corner frequency for which it has been designed. As you can observe, the insertion loss for 1 GHz is less than 1.5 dB. There could be slight ripple in the pass band because it's a Chebyshev filter. Again, the insertion loss is pretty low. At 1200 MHz also the loss is very low. We need to be sure that we have tightened the SMA connectors carefully. Now we approach the 1400 MHz, which is also in the pass band, and 1500 MHz this loss has started to increase. At 1600 MHz this is a significant loss, which is about 36 dB right now. At 1700 MHz this has gone to the noise floor, about 40 dB is the insertion loss right now at 1700 MHz. At 1800 MHz also the loss has increased, is more than 40 dB right now. At 1900 MHz the loss is again more than 40 dB. This is very similar to the stepped impedance filter, but in case of the low impedance microstrip lines we are using open circuit stubs. The low impedance microstrip lines were acting as the capacitors, while the high impedance microstrip lines were acting as the inductors.